Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a what's in my bag. My purse is about a year old. Not even a year old, but yeah, it's dirty. And I do have this piece that's missing, and I have a warranty on this purse. The other little piece, the little tag that's hanging on there, that is missing off of here, but I do have it, so when the store opens back up, I can go there and get it replaced and get it cleaned, because I do have that service. I don't know how long it is, but this is what's in my purse. And I already ate my breakfast sandwich. It is 11:12. I ate some of my celery sticks. Let's drop them back in there so we can have this in there. Some ranch for my celery sticks. I got some chips for lunch. And I just got tissue. I don't know, random tissue, just some clean tissue. I have this, what's this thing called for my camera? Oh, like a handheld tripod. It opens up in the back. I have my Coach wallet with all of my money. Yeah, just kidding. But it is heavy, goodness grief. I almost got a lot of change in here. Let's stick with this. I have my charger. This is my chicken sandwich for lunch. I have my camera. And in here I have my extra battery and like a cleaning cloth. Yeah, that's that. And I have some Listerine. I have my name change papers from the court, from my divorce. I have my iPods. I have some gum. Oh, and I have my SD card reader. I have some, little smell good white diamond. I have an ink pen. And this little piece go to the car mount that I have in the car. Okay. And in my pocket, there's nothing in that one. And I just have my chapstick and just a little gloss. Gloss is from Victoria's Secret. On the side pocket here, I usually just throw my phone in here, but I threw my keys in there. That's when we went to the Poconos. And yeah, don't have anything on this side. On this side, I have a couple of Black & Milds. I have my lighter, and I have a stylus. I don't know, I guess it's called a Apple stylus pen. Yeah, but that's it. I just started wearing it again, but where's my little pieces that go to my purse? I thought I had that in here. Maybe I got it. Got a little ponytail holder. Didn't know that was in there. What happened to it? Oh, and in here is not a bag of weed. It's some vitamins that are supposed to be taken, and it's probably been in here for a while. But I had the little pieces of, maybe I left it at home, or maybe I took it out. But yeah, so I'll get it professionally cleaned and get the little Coach symbol that was down there that came off. I don't know how that happened, and my little tag that I bought. But it's a good bag. I had it for a year and it's been lasting me. This is like an everyday bag, but it definitely needs to be cleaned. And once I get it cleaned, I'll show you another video of how it looks. Hey guys, real quick, there were a few things I forgot to put back in my bag that I did have in my bag, and that's just a little hand sanitizer. I just keep refilling it when it get low. My lotion, and my Coach eyeglass case, and I just have my glasses and my sunglasses in here, and oh, some wet naps. Yeah, so thank you again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.